I'm now showing you a heart that has unequivocal shunting between the atrial chambers, but not within the confines of the atrial septum. Because we see here the floor of the oval fossa with intact rims, the flap valve of the fossa being firmly adherent to the left ventricular aspect of the septum. We see the tricuspid valve, we see the other landmarks of the right ventricle, the coronary sinus, the triangle of Koch, here the remnant of the Thebesian valve. So the atrial septum is entirely intact. How then do we get a hole here which produces a communication between the atrial chambers? This is the mouth of the superior cable vein, and we see that the mouth of the superior cable vein is overriding this muscular rim, the superior rim of the oval fossa. Opening into the superior cable vein, close to its junction to the right atrium, are the right upper pulmonary veins. And so in effect we have a hole here produced by biatrial connection of the superior cable vein along with the right pulmonary veins that produces an interatrial communication. It is outside the confines of the oval fossa. And you see that I've placed a probe in position here. The probe enters the anterior atrial groove at this position, and I've passed the probe into this rim, which, as we saw in the normal heart, contains extra cardiac fat. And this probe passing through the muscular rim and being visible neither from right nor left atrial aspects shows us that this fibrofatty core to the superior rim persists, and it is the overriding, the biatrial connection of this superior cable vein that has produced us an interatrial communication that is outside the confines of the normal atrial septum. And this is the essence of the so-called superior sinus venosus defect.